What's up, you beautiful people, and welcome to yet another video. This video will be a little different compared to my other ones because I unfortunately had some technical difficulties with my helmet microphone. So unfortunately, I don't have any onboard audio on the bikes. But this day was a very fun day, which I rode with 2 Victory Magnums and 2 Indian Chieftains. And I was on my 2007 Suzuki M109R. So if those of you are just tuning in or you're new subscribers to the channel, I do have the 2018 Indian Sky Bobber, which you're used to seeing, but I also always had another bike, which was the M109R, but I didn't have it running because I didn't have any tires put on it, and I had to do some other maintenance too. But I finally got the tires put on. This is my first time riding it in over a month. So, you know, most of the videos that you guys have seen have been with me on the Indian Sky Bobber, so the M109 hasn't gotten any love. But now that's finally changed, and when I hopped on it, it was like finding a long lost glove. You know, it still fits right, it still rides well, and basically I fell in love with the bike all over again. But I have talked about this before as far as like me getting a touring bike, but of course the more I ride with the touring bikes while riding a cruiser like the Indian Sky Bobber, the M109, it makes me wish I had a touring bike. So you know, I'm starting to think more again about whether or not I should get a touring bike or try to convert one of the bikes that I have now, of course the M109 over the Sky Bobber, you know, converting one of those bikes into a touring bike. Because these long rides, they're a lot of fun, but you know, you're so beat up from not having wind protection and, you know, comfort on a cruiser versus a touring bike. And then, you know, when you get to your destination, you're just worn out. So, you know, those are many things to think about along the lines of like touring versus cruisers, and also the comfort of having, you know, bags and, you know, cruise control and radio and more space for a passenger and things like that. So it's a lot to think about, but it's something that I feel like I'm gonna have to address soon for the people that I ride with. But besides that, we can cover this more in detail in another video. But the overall ride was fun, and yeah, it was just a beautiful day to get out and enjoy ourselves, and we took advantage of it. So here's some clips of us, you know, riding to our destination, and also some drone stuff. So hope y'all enjoy it, and here it is. What's up, everybody? We made it to the highest point in Alabama. Well, actually, it's not quite the highest, but it's pretty close. The highest is right around the corner somewhere. We're out here enjoying ourselves, and I hope you guys enjoy the views that I'm about to give you. Views on top of views. But right now, we're about to go ahead and fill up, get something to eat, and try to make our way back home before it gets too chilly, because I don't have on any of my good gear. I got on summer gear, but I don't have on none of my other gear. So, pretty much, all that guy was speaking to us. Look at this. Let's look at this view, everybody. Look at that. That view is amazing. It's very windy out here. Hopefully the wind doesn't blow my camera out my hand. But we got the Habanero Victory Magnum, the 109, the Indian Chieftain, another Indian Chieftain, and the other Magnum that you guys are seeing. But we're about to get out of here and get something to eat. But we made it out here. It was fun. The roads were very friendly today, and we had a lot of fun. So yeah, but I'm gonna come back up here another day on the Indian and also a solo ride on the 109 and get some off the bike shots. But today, you know, I was in a group, and it's kind of hard to get shots off the bike and stuff when you're with other people. But it was a lot of fun, and if this doesn't inspire you guys to get out and ride, I don't know what will. Just seeing these views and everything gets me excited. So you guys got to get out here and ride just like I did. And yeah, much love. All right, folks, we have arrived at our destination and have eaten, and now we're gonna get ready to hop back on the bikes and head back home. Now, this has been a very fun ride. Like I said, I will come back up here probably on a solo ride with either the Indian or the M109. But like I said, riding in a group, you kind of don't get the chance to get off the bike and do stuff as easy as you would if you're by yourself. So I'm just gonna have to make a special trip back up here again, maybe multiple times. We're gonna freeze, right? I was on the camera. I said we're gonna freeze because we ain't got no jackets. Is that all you got?
No, she was looking.
Oh, she looking?
She looking.
Oh, okay. But yes, until next time, guys. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next one. Peace out.